day no go be meat and chicken day. Today na prawn coconut sauce we wan make. For inside pan, you wan put little bit of oil. Any oil wey you get, e dey fine. If you use coconut oil, e dey fine. Then you wan come clean the prawn, then you put am for inside the pan of oil. Abeg use small oil. I know, small oil. Then you come put black pepper on top. I know say make you season the prawn. No. Now once you don't start to fry the prawn, you season her. Then you come put little bit of lot. If you don't know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Go on there. Then once one side all done, you come to the side. Don't let her cook too much. That's why you go just cackle like person wey see cold for the first time when you come abroad. Once you don't do for one side, that side, take a come out. You can put onions, garlic, ginger, pepper. I just cut everything down for inside freezer. I don't like to distress myself anymore. Listen, I don't want to stress myself anymore. This life is too short. Too many things don't happen for this January. I don't want to stress myself. They will put little bit of butter. The butter now just to elevate the taste of the whole thing. I beg, no use too much oil to start with. Now God, I say beg you, because coconut now oil on his own. Then you want put cinnamon. Now ask me say why they put cinnamon. Just put her. If you don't want to put her, leave her. Then you can put curry powder inside. No ask me why they put curry powder. You can put thyme. No ask me why they put thyme. If you like, no put business with that one. Then you can put paprika. That could give a nice color. Okay, you come miss her. If let's say the ball, no worry about her. Just miss her. Now the spice, all the spice they go spice evil. Just there, you can put coconut milk inside. I use kind of coconut milk. I beg. If you know, say you get coconut plant outside, you feel extract the milk. Go do a no verse for the one where I use. Now I wait till I get use. I just put her. I come miss her. You see, I try the scraper. I scrape all that juice, all that loveliness. We don't caramelize for that pot. They couple stock seasoning. If you put Maggi, Ajinomoto, anywhere you like. Then you couple put on your whole lot. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know, man. Then you couple put the prawn inside. I get extra prawn where I don't use before. I just add that make up plenty where because now my children food. I don't want make the children tell me say these children when they are abroad, if you don't give them better food or you don't give them enough food, they'll tell you say you disturb that. They tell them say they don't go Africa before. And now they watch TV. And I know they say to the apple say on God every anyway. I cook rice, a cup of vegetable. I beg, they give your children vegetable chop. Even say you said they chop vegetable. If you not chop vegetable, you all give to your children vegetable, you not go walk. So you said they chop vegetable. I serve her, it look nice, it look delicious. The injera, I beg, cook your own meal, let me know I take on up for you. Don't forget to chop your vegetable. And if you know for the yawolos, you know with that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Peace out.